Before you begin, remove the rear cover and kickstand. Removal. Disconnect the battery cable from its connector on the system board. Remove the 8 3mm T5 Torx head screws that secure the display panel assembly to the middle frame. Remove the 6 4.5mm T5 Torx head screws that secure the display panel assembly to the middle frame. While supporting the display panel assembly with one hand, insert a non-metallic flat-bladed tool into the cutouts in the middle frame and partially disengage the clips on the display panel assembly from the middle frame. Turn the unit over and carefully disengage the rest of the clips on the left and right side of the display panel assembly. Slowly lift the display panel assembly until you have access to the touchscreen ZIF connector on the system board. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the touchscreen ZIF connector and disconnect the touchscreen ribbon cable from the system board. Peel back the retention tape and disconnect the display panel cable from its connector on the display panel assembly. Remove the display panel assembly. Reverse this procedure to install the display panel assembly.